embracing the machine automation's growing presence in the auto industry. The automobile industry is undergoing a revolution. This revolution is driven by automation. Automation is changing how cars are designed, built, and driven. From the factory floor to the open road, automation is leaving its mark. One of the most visible impacts of automation is in manufacturing. Robots are now commonplace in car factories. They perform tasks like welding, painting, and assembly. This shift to automation is increasing efficiency and precision in the manufacturing process. But the influence of automation extends far beyond the factory. Cars themselves are becoming increasingly automated. Features like automatic emergency braking and lane-keeping assist are becoming standard. These features rely on sensors and software to enhance safety and driver assistance. The ultimate goal of automotive automation is fully self-driving cars. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and traditional manufacturers like BMW are investing heavily in this technology. While significant hurdles remain, the development of self-driving cars is progressing rapidly. Robots on the assembly line transforming car manufacturing. Robots have become essential to modern car manufacturing. These mechanical workers offer several advantages over traditional human labor. They are precise, consistent, and tireless. This leads to higher quality vehicles and a faster production process. One key task robots excel at is welding. Welding requires a high degree of precision to ensure structural integrity. Robots can perform these welds flawlessly every time. This improves the safety and durability of the vehicles. Painting is another area where robots shine. They can apply paint evenly and consistently, something that is difficult to achieve with human painters. This results in a higher quality finish and reduces the risk of defects. Assembly tasks are also being automated. Robots can install windshields, doors, and other components with speed and accuracy. This reduces the need for human workers to perform repetitive and potentially dangerous tasks. Beyond self-driving automation enhancing the entire driving experience. While self-driving cars get much of the attention, automation is impacting the entire driving experience. Advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS, are becoming increasingly common in new vehicles. These systems use sensors, cameras, and software to assist drivers and improve safety. One example is adaptive cruise control. Adaptive cruise control goes beyond traditional cruise control by using radar to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle ahead. This reduces driver fatigue and can help prevent accidents. Lane keeping. Assist is another valuable ADAS feature. It uses cameras to monitor the vehicle's position within its lane. If the car starts to drift, lane keeping assist can gently steer it back into the lane. This is especially helpful on long drives and can prevent unintentional lane departures. Automatic emergency braking is perhaps the most significant ADAS safety feature. It uses sensors to detect potential collisions and can automatically apply the brakes to avoid or mitigate an accident. Automatic emergency braking has been shown to significantly reduce accidents, particularly rear-end collisions. The road ahead. Automation's impact on the future of transportation. Automation is transforming transportation from vehicle ownership to traffic congestion. Self-driving cars promise fewer accidents and increased mobility. Electric vehicles, simpler to manufacture, fit well with automation. Automated vehicles may change car ownership and ride-sharing. The future of transportation is automated and approaching fast.